Hey guys, Cousin Vinny coming to you with a quick read on the markets at the end of the day Tuesday. We had a nice break of this trend line yesterday and a retest on the 30-minute, and we moved higher. We had really nice breadth all day, and as you might remember from this weekend's video, we talked about the offensive sectors XLF, LI, LK, and LY that you want to keep an eye on this descending channel. We broke above the 10-period EMA on the XLF. We'd like to see more volume and a little more commitment. XLI looking similar. We had decent volume today, though it was below average. XLK, we had a nice little breakout. This looks a little better compared to the other two. And of course XLY, the cyclicals, which looks similar to the others, except that we have these higher lows here. Okay, so keep an eye on those those offensive sectors. If you look at StockTwits, I posted a candle glance chart that you can also take a look at. Look at the SOX. We did quite well. We broke out of a nice flag here on the daily. The pivots where we had this triple bottom, spread triple bottom, we broke above this, and now the 127 extension is up here north of 510. The 2007 highs were 549, I believe, so those are within eyesight. Also, if you look at this is the sector chart I was talking about. Keep an eye on these four. Unless these things break down, you can have a bullish bias for the most part going into the end of the week here, unless something dramatically changes here. I'm focusing on the possibility of a double top on the spiders sometime in the next week or so, or if possibly sooner. So if that occurs, we could see a double top, and if we don't break out here, we could see a move lower, depending on what happens with catalysts and so forth. So looking pretty good for the most part going into tomorrow. I'm very bullish considering the strength in those four sectors. You can also come and check out my site, theclosingprint.com, where I've been posting my watch list here rather than on a video format, as I mentioned on Sunday's video. And you can also come and check out the free information on trading and how I use some of the techniques to trade during the day. I mentioned the box technique quite often, and this video here covers that. So check that out on my site, theclosingprint.com. Okay, so this is Cousin Vinny coming to you from theclosingprint.com, and also Day Trader Bootcamp. Come over and check out your 2-week free trial and meet some of the traders in the room. I hope this helps. We'll see you in the room tomorrow.